So hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we'll show you how to fix the not enough Sol error in your Phantom wallet. So without delaying any more time, let's jump right in. If you're seeing this error, it usually means your wallet doesn't have enough Solana to cover the network transaction fees. This can happen when you are trying to send tokens, swap tokens, or interact with the apps on the Solana blockchain. Remember, Sol is required for every transaction on the Solana network, even if you are sending other tokens like USDs or NFTs. So let me show you how to fix it. Make sure you have enough Sol in your wallet. If not, transfer some from a crypto exchange like Binance, Coinbase or Bybit, or another Solana wallet. Make the Solana platform updated. An outdated version of the Phantom wallet can sometimes cause glitches. Check for updates and install the latest version of the app or browser extension. Now you have to check for network connection. Sometimes the Solana network may be experiencing delays or congestion. You can visit Solana status websites to check for ongoing issues that might affect your transactions. Now you have to try disconnecting and reconnecting your wallet or simply restart the Phantom app. These quick resets can often fix minor errors. Make sure you are sending to the correct Solana address, or incorrect destinations can block the transaction. You need Sol to pay for the transaction fees. Top up your balance if needed. Keep the Phantom updated. Watch out for network issues. Restart or reconnect if things are not going right. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.